In this video we are going to see how to vectorize the plan section of a building with Tcp PointCloud Editor. First we open the project, which contains a cloud with 43 million points that has been taken with a terrestrial scanner. As the point cloud is very dense, we are going to make a selection of points by density, so that the resulting cloud has only one point every cubic centimeter. Once the remaining points have been selected, we hide them. Then we make a copy of the resulting cloud, and hide the original one. We check that it has approximately 4 million points, i.e., 10% of the original amount. Next we create several layers where we draw the floor plan of the building in the lower, central and upper parts, with different colors. Activate the CAD toolbar and click on the raster editor icon. A window is displayed where we can see a plan view of the cloud, in black and white. To obtain a clearer representation, we modify the lower and upper dimension limits and update the view. We also tried different density values to obtain an optimal visualization. Now click on the Vectorize button. We enlarge an area, and observe that lines have been automatically created by regression on the point cloud, and the vertices are also shown as circles. We switch to the editing ribbon and see that it is possible to move the vertices to better fit the floor plan. It is also possible to draw new polylines, using the endpoints of existing objects as reference. Additionally, it is possible to connect lines with other lines. Again, we move other vertices. We continue drawing new entities and connecting them to already created lines. We repeat the process in another way, and this time we show the usefulness of the tools for inserting and moving vertices. The join icon facilitates the joining of lines whose ends are close but do not coincide exactly. With these tools, we have managed to draw a closed polyline with the outline of the building, and we proceed to save the result. We choose the layer of the lower floor, and close the raster editor. We check that a 3D polyline has been drawn at the previously indicated elevation. Deactivate the cloud and check the result in 3D and plan view. Using the same method we draw the floor plan in other elevations, and we obtain new polylines in the middle and upper elevations, which help to better define the building. Finally, we are going to edit the elevation of the drawn polylines. To do this we use the flatten tool, and with the eyedropper we choose a point that has the desired elevation. We set the plan view and observe the final result.